Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Caryn Prince. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm just going to share with you guys how I achieved this eye look. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, you guys, so my foundation is already on. I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 420, if anybody is wondering. And I am going to do another freestyle makeup. This is what I pulled. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Krinkle. I have this brown eyeshadow by Kryolan. And then I have my Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna take my MAC 224 and I'm gonna swirl it into this shadow right here and put it on. And the shape that I always go for is like a circular shape. I don't really care too much for that winged out shadow look on my particular eye shape. So, yep. Okay, so I'm going to take the ColourPop shadow, swirl it with my finger. I'm nervous. I'm just using my finger to press this into my lid because I don't know, I just feel like you get a better payoff with the finger. All right, let's blend that out with the 224. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette and using my finger again. And I'm gonna get the color Midnight Bolt and I'm gonna put it on my outer corners. I'm going in with some more of the brown. I'm gonna switch over to this e.l.f. blending brush. It's a smaller blending brush. I'm gonna use that. This one is more compact and concentrated. That's what I want. And I'm gonna take this brown color and I'm gonna start to blend it up in the front of my eyebrow. That's what we're looking like so far. I think this is Meteor Crush, I believe, this lighter blue. I'm gonna use my finger again and I'm gonna try to put that in my inner corner. And I am making a total mess. A mess. All right, I'm gonna blend it out again with this small e.l.f. brush. Let's brush some of this glitter off. I'm just using my Makeup Forever brush right here. And to brush it off, I'm just like kind of twirling my brush and flicking it, or spin and flick. Okay, I think I'm done with the top section now. Let's do something for the bottom lash line. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and wet this small brush that I have here with some water. And I'm gonna dip it in that darker blue shadow, this one, and put it on my lower lash line. I think I'm just going to leave it on the outer corner like that. Back with my e.l.f. brush, just doing a little blending. And now I'm just going to go in with this black eye pencil and line my lower lash line. Okay, and I think I am done. Let's put some mascara on. Okay, so I just went ahead and contoured my face a little bit more with my matchstick in espresso. I put on my Superb highlighter by MAC on the high points of my face, and then I lined my lips with this eyeliner in the color dark brown. And now I'm going to put a lip on. I'm going to use Jubilee by MAC. I'm going to line it a little bit more. And yes, that is it. Okay guys, so this is the result. Please let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I'll leave as much info as I can in the description box, and thanks for stopping by.